kali ini kita akan bahas salah satu bagian penting dalam manajemen acara, yaitu environment design.
Jadi, environment design adalah proses merancang suasana dan ruang dalam sebuah acara agar fungsional, enak dilihat, dan mendukung aktivitas peserta.
Exactly. It's about planning spaces, cycle or virtual, to make everything feels alright. Good layout, good lighting, and even good flow all come from environment design.
Coba bayangkan, kalian datang ke sebuah event, tapi tempatnya polos, dindingnya kosong, pencahayaannya seadanya, nggak ada tanda arah, nggak ada suasana. Pasti ngebosanin kan? Nah, disinilah pentingnya environment design. Ini bukan cuma soal dekorasi, tapi gimana caranya kita bikin ruangan itu hidup dan punya identitas dan punya arah.
It's all about creating the right atmosphere. Every small detail from the carpet you step on to the lighting above plays a part in how people feel inside the space. Environment design also makes the venue more functional. Good signage, clear direction, and smooth registration area, that's part of the strategy too. So really, you are not just designing a space, you're shaping the entire experience.
Nah, setelah kita bahas soal menciptakan suasana, sekarang kita masuk ke bagian penting lain, yaitu providing direction. Kesel nggak sih kalau kamu tersesat di sebuah acara? Apalagi kalau kamu harus hadir, tapi bingung cari lokasi. Maka dari itu, penanda arah yang jelas itu wajib banget ya. Tapi nggak cuma sekedar papan petunjuk saja, ada juga elemen penting lain seperti area registrasi, kios informasi, dan tentu saja pintu masuk.
Right, entrance elements play a huge role in guiding attendees. They signal, yes, you're in the right place. They also set the tone for event, like welcome mat for your experience. There are two types of entrance. The first, grand entrance, which can start outside the venue, like banners or art pieces guiding guests from walks away. And then room entrance, which are specific to each event space, simple banner or more creative option like LED lit, entries or entry tunnels that immerse attendees as they walk. These entrance elements don't just look good, they help guests navigate and feel connected right from the start.
Setelah pintu masuk, area registrasi juga jadi tempat pertama loh yang bakal dihadapi oleh peserta. Meskipun cuma dipakai beberapa hari, desain registrasi itu penting banget karena kesan pertama terbentuk dari sini. Tapi ingat, fungsi lebih penting daripada gaya. Registrasi harus cepat dan jelas, biar peserta nggak bingung dan prosesnya lancar. Biasanya ada meja atau kios untuk daftar ulang di lobi. Setelah itu, petunjuk arahnya mengarahkan peserta ke meja sesuai nama atau nomor registrasi.
Directional signage is a lifesaver when done right. Too many signs can confuse people, so they need to be clear, simple, logical, easy to understand at a glance. For example, one sign at the start of a hallway listing a room, then a sign outside each room with both room names and session happening there. Digital signs are becoming popular too, flexible and easy to update for last-minute change. Then there are information kiosks and monitors. These go deeper, showing schedules, speaker bias, and more, but they should be fast and easy to use. Good design here means attendees get into quickly without getting lost or frustrated.
Nah, setelah kita bahas soal memberi arah, sekarang giliran providing atmosphere, yaitu menciptakan suasana acara. Jadi, kalau nggak ada expert designer dalam tim, tugas ini jatuh ke kita sebagai event designer atau planner. Acara ini harus dibuat seperti apa? Cerah dan rapi atau besar dan penuh warna? High-tech atau natural dan sederhana? Intinya, palet desain yang sudah kita pilih harus bisa diaplikasikan ke seluruh acara, bukan cuma dekorasi atau pintu masuk.
That's right. Using the research done early in the process, you pick the right materials, texture, and colors. Then you turn those choices into accent elements, title, detail that together create the even unique vibes and atmosphere. Because atmosphere is what makes an event memorable. It's the feelings attendees take away.
Kita bisa menggunakan banyak elemen untuk menciptakan suasana, seperti menggunakan drapery, cycloromas, screens, carpeting, and audio ambience.
And then, scents, accent lighting, backdrop and banners, fabric structure and art pieces, lunges and sidewalk.
Nah, di sini supaya semuanya nggak ada yang ketinggalan, kita butuh checklist. Mulai dari alur tamu, akses informasi, sampai kesesuaian tema.
It's like your secret weapon. The checklist ensures that every piece of sound lighting to signage, support the event goals, and creates a flawless experience.
So guys, desain lingkungan bukan sekadar dekorasi, tapi strategi penting dalam menciptakan pengalaman acara yang berkesan.
Exactly. If you want your event to be unforgettable, you need to design not just the stage, but the entire environment.
So guys, terima kasih sudah menyimak.
And thanks for watching.
Sampai jumpa di presentasi selanjutnya.